There you are. What's up? It's your favorite ex-alcoholic. Of course I'm back with another recovery hack. I've got something literally flowing to you. Hydration, dude, isn't just about quenching your thirst. It's the oil of your engine, the melody of your song, the Wi-Fi to your Netflix binge series. You need it. And when I say you need it, I mean you need it. Did you know most hangovers are primarily caused by dehydration and lack of sleep? I know you don't like drinking water, and you're probably thinking, dude, I'm not a camel. Why do you have a brand called Drink Water? And why do you want me to drink it so much? Here's the truth. Hydration isn't just about drinking water. It's about keeping your mind and body well oiled and functioning at its finest. Water is fuel, and in recovery, it is a non-negotiable. Can't not do it and expect healthy results. Your body's made up of at least 60% water. It literally helps with everything from regulating your body temperature to flushing out toxins, kind of like the literal poison that alcohol is and carcinogen that causes 7 types of cancer. Yeah, that's in your body. Oh, and it helps aid in digestion too. No water, no wellness. Let's just talk about the science. Research shows that even mild dehydration dramatically affects your mood. It affects your memory and your attention span. So if you're struggling to pay attention to this video, take a sip of water. And nobody on the planet wants to add those symptoms to their recovery journey when they're struggling already. Staying hydrated isn't just about guzzling water. It's about a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and maybe sipping on some healthy teas. Recovery is a marathon. It's not a sprint. And every marathoner knows the importance of staying hydrated. And here's a pro tip they don't want you to know when you're struggling with cravings. Every time you think about alcohol, drink water. Every time you crave alcohol, drink water. You are literally rewiring your brain to use the craving of alcohol to serve yourself hydration. You don't want alcohol, you're just thirsty. Grab your water bottle, man. Make some tea, or hell, get yourself a watermelon, and let's practice hydrating ourselves for recovery.